Hello everyone, lovers of freedom and Biafrans at large. This is Pasidonas TV. We are on Facebook and also on YouTube. We are bringing to you exposition number 5 on Simon Ekpa. We've done series of exposition on Simon Ekpa. This is the 5th exposition. And today is Wednesday, 22nd of September, 2021. We are saying the date so that you will understand when each exposition is made concerning Simon Ekpa. Well, like I said, we have series of expositions concerning Simon Ekpa. If you've not watched them, you can as well go through the earlier expositions that we made so that you can follow through and understand what is happening. Today, I want to talk about Simon being an IPOB member or not, and the truth you have to know. Because this has been lingering. Some will think that Simon is an IPOB member. Some will say that Simon is not an IPOB member. And that you have to understand that this exposition is coming from a place of love for correction purposes and for reference purposes in the future. Nobody is forcing or mandating Simon Ekpa to retrace his steps. No. He is an adult. He knows what is right and he has to do what is right. But because of his ego and because of his ulterior motive, he do not want to retrace his steps and take corrections. Well, that is left for him. But it will not stop me from this exposition that I am doing. Because when all this saga of Simon Ekpa started, DOSD, IPOB that, so many people talking that people are envying Simon Ekpa, that Simon Ekpa is doing a great job, that why are we distracting Simon Ekpa, that's why are we attacking a lot of controversy. So when all these things started, I said, no. That so many people are getting it all wrong. So many people are getting it all wrong. So I decided to start making exposition on Simon Ekpa. Because I believe even if this exposition did not help anybody, at least if this exposition will go a long way to help one person, I will be happy. But I believe in the future, so many people will make reference to these expositions that I'm making today concerning Simon Ekpa. It's good when you see the truth, you say it the way it is. And it's not also good that because of sentiments or because of one thing or the other, you start covering the truth, especially if one is being compromised. No, it's not good at all. So, concerning Simon Ekpa, people have to know the truth. People have to know the truth. Especially when it comes to the issue of Simon Ekpa being an IPOB member or not. And other controversies arising, especially the issue of IPOB Finland. I don't know the kind of controversy where they surround the guy. I don't understand. And the people I say they enjoy all the attentions, everything, whether positive or negative. Sometimes when I go just they look this man, I go just they ask whether this man they tire or they tire at all. Guys, nobody I don't know where I want to start. Nobody I don't know where I want to start about this Simon case. The Simon case be say Simon's don't too do. He don't do much. He don't do much. I don't know what they beat drum where Simon they dance. I don't know the person where they beat the drum when they dance. Okay, let me quickly go to the issue or the topic that I'm addressing. If Simon Ekpa is an IPOB member, IPOB registered member, the answer is was no. Capital N-E-O. Simon is not an IPOB member. Simon is not an IPOB member. He's not an IPOB member. I want this to get into your skull so that you will understand. I want to leave all these things, Sometimes I go to wonder where people brain today. I go to wonder where people brain their understanding day. All these things don't they linger, so it can cause so many controversies. The problem that people, in fact, I can know because there is no problem in IPOB. The problem where they on social media concerning IPOB and the IPOB leadership and people come they talk anyhow now because of this Simon, no other person. Now because of this guy, when they call Simon, no other person. Now he start all these things. And him in ego no go let him make him take correction, say, I am sorry. Say in there sorry. You no want them. You no want them at all. Now, when this thing started, what thing be happen first be say, when Mazina Sanworu been there on Radio Biafra, person come call him, ask whether Simon be IPOB member. He say from his knowledge, he no be, but he go still make inquiry, he go still ask. But as of the time when he know, like, even before he come on that platform, say he no be IPOB member, but he go still ask. They ask Mazi Chike does him the same thing when he anchor one program. He say Simon no be IPOB member too. So all these things, can they make Simon, can they verse? Can they dry? Can they say waiting? Why they talk and there wasn't why people they talk about him like that? Simon don't begin the attack DOS, stay. He don't begin the use subtle shades that attack DOS. This even before this woman name, say waiting be that woman person say whether na woman waiting. Before that nearly of a person come. Simon don't indirectly they talk things against DOS. We no talk. Oh. As soon as they talk, say Simon Ekpa no be IPOB member. The guy con they para. So they con they holla, they insult the IPOB Finland. Because even their national coordinator, they write something, they bring that memo, say Simon Ekpa is not an IPOB member. Say he doesn't belong to Finland family. What is Simon go talk be say, the man will sign that, he say the man no go school. Say the man illiterate, say no what's in his sign. He don't know how to read, he don't know how to understand. I don't understand Simon Ekpa. Person sign something, finish. Say the person will sign something. Say he don't know what's in his sign. As person there, if person come to accuse person, say, no be this person be your mama, no be this person be your papa. You know, say you don't know the thing what you supposed to do to prove to somebody, say this person na my mama or this person na my papa. Then they go and police. If you like say person day school, person come tell you say you know day school. You don't get admission day school, person tell you say you know day school. If you need to prove it, if you supposed to know what you supposed to do to show the person say I day school. If you don't know what you supposed to do to show the person say you day school. All the things where you use do clearance, your admission letter, even I say you get admission letter, because I know say some they carry supplement, they don't get admission letter. Carry all the things where you then carry do clearance, your school fees where you pay everything, show the person. Even reg number, everything. Your ID card. And even they go for yourself. If I talk ID card, they fit talk to the person if you go fake ID card. At least documents where person use do clearance as he enter school. Go prove to person say, I dey registered with this school. I be a student of this school. I be undergraduate of this school. Una see am. So, you know go hard. I don't know what to make. Anytime where they talk say Simon Ekpa no be IPOB member, Simon Ekpa go the para. You go want to defend himself. What is Simon want defend? So you go bring one group like that for Finland. When they begin to insult themselves, no be other people then go they come to insult. It is very simple. If Simon Ekpa is an IPOB member, him say the unity way in there. Let Simon talk the time when go meeting, go take oath, as in the first time where in be, as in whether identify him as an IPOB member. Who give an oath when he take? Whether a face-to-face oath, where people, as in which way they there when he take the oath, and whether in they pay in dues, the receipt, then when they use pay, all these things then I go prove say in be IP say me supposed no in coordinator. And it's supposed to they go meeting. You get as person go there say if you know they come meeting. It goes something where go warrant me the person will take the oath. When don't take before. So I don't know where we they drag this thing they go, because me I know through te. Me no say Simon Ekpa no be IPOB member. Me I know te. So after the time when you do Martin and the can interview, he just come up. Yeah, I'm not IPOB member. I'm fully IPOB member. I say, oh shoot, so this finally Simon don't join. Simon don't be IPOB member. I think say Simon don't take him oath to register. Don't join one unit like that. They come meeting. I don't know say that because he go do Martin, he won't do Martin can interview. Because no how he go do that interview when no go take oath. Oath where they take him. No be say na this in a virtual one no. Na the root one no. No be say na incoming person they see and can't give an oath. And na this woman according to him na give him that oath when take. Caroline. That's our master now the Kano secretary. Now I give Simon oath when take oh. And then take this oath 9 minutes, 2 hours return when go to view our leader. Now Simon can't take oath. As Simon don't take oath finish. If na person where they with in right sense, when no get any ulterior motive, what is Simon for do after in don't interview Martin and the Kano finish? No be to come the right for us on Facebook say na him be IPOB member. Because say they read something, give you, make you read after, or make you talk say this, you talk and finish. That don't automatically turn you to IPOB member. IPOB member when don't belong to any family. IPOB member when they pay in dues. Which can IPOB member be that? IPOB member when they follow instructions. No say what in the guy this movement na command and control. Now wow. So Simon after that, you know, go meet IPOB Finland. But you can't pose like say person we don't talk with Martin and the Kano. Or we don't talk with Martin, we don't chat with Martin and the Kano one-on-one. Say it's too big to join a family or waiting. I don't understand. But waiting me understand, I go tell you. Be say, Simon, no one make person control him. Control waiting he go talk, waiting he go do. Now waiting make him even when Efe, I even the regret waiting make me delete that video. You get the time where Efe tell and say, you don't understand the narrative where he say can't they change. Say the narrative where they talk, say our leader don't do all the narratives finish. Say me Simon Ekpa go join IPOB family. If you do that video na last year na 2020 na, that video been there my channel. I don't know na me can't come out and later. I don't leave that video. I can't say okay now Simon done they try now they do well. So what thing go make that video still there? They make you know be say like say an attack. Because me been decided for that time where if I talk that time because I've been react for that video. I can't look, say make I come and delete that video. Say the guy they do well, saying they try. So say my friend can't even they tell me say that as in months ago, say the when they look Simon in the try, Simon people know they like person will go betray. We don't say we don't understand that guy. Say the guy 2 days smart. For your mind, didn't he say they smart? For people when go they deceive, no people where they like me. So all these things then where Simon they do, you know make sense. So you when they listen to me now, anything where you want to talk, if you want curse me, curse yourself, not be me. Simon Ekpa is not an IPOB member. Finland family don't confirm him. They don't talk him. You don't belong to any group there. You don't belong to any unity there. You know they registered. You know they pay in dues. So what thing come make an IPOB member now? I want no one to ask me, as in, and each time when they talk say Simon Ekpa no be IPOB member, now so Simon Ekpa go they find problem, they look for where you go cause. What thing go make Simon Ekpa come out come talk say, okay, I be IPOB member, this person is my coordinator, see the unity where I belong, carry all in receipt them. All the dues when they pay, carry in receipt then show. Make them know say, okay, Simon Ekpa be fully IPOB registered member. You know, do those ones. What did it say you go do? Now to begin the fine problem. I make I ask you now. Ever since we don't get this issue of person be IPOB member, you know be IPOB member, can they cause this kind of controversy? We full everywhere for social media because of Simon Ekpa. We don't get that kind of controversy before for this struggle. We never get them. Only Simon Ekpa case, 9 days different. Okay, even of recent, last week, the national coordinator, if I'm not mistaken, come out in a Simon way even play that video for your wall. For the Biafra talk say Simon Ekpa no be IPOB registered member. Simon Ekpa come out when they say they lied against me, he lied against me, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. Now saying go bring good for nothing people for that Finland. Work on the supporter. Work on the talk say their coordinator na onyangori here. That say the man they be drunkard, say the man they text something. Say the man no something. Say the man no, you know deserve to be coordinator. Say if we say some of them work on the talk, when they see the envy where they for them. As the way they in there be said, around the reason now then supposed to be this coordinator, not be this man. So tell Simon Ekpa come talk say the coordinator say no even reach. Say no reach to say crazy for market. As in the kind insult, where Simon they give people, especially those who waited for Finland. He gave where the supporter say they don't know whether waiting Martin and the can and Simon Ekpa gets. Say Simon Ekpa be Martin and the can self-reserve. Say person they just self-reserve. Say Simon Ekpa self. That day when come the meeting because the man been talk say when they tell Simon make him take oath, Simon no agree take oath. He say waiting to make Martin and the candidate for day for that oath. But as Simon Ekpa come they talk him now, he come they talk and say no be waiting to talk this that. Go bring good for nothing people where come full in platform or where they come they play their audio. They come they talk say waiting even carry Simon Ekpa come. Say Simon Ekpa he get 2 groups. Say then they get issue for IPOB. Say Simon Ekpa can't settle the problem. And if you na listen to what Mazi Chike Doziem talk, the time when they Radio Biafra, when they get meeting with Simon Ekpa say that saying don't come and give a Radio Biafra. And say income because there is problem in IPOB, say income settle them. But later, when Mazi Chike Doziem talk that he finish, Simon Ekpa come the lie, say no be waiting in talk. Maybe waiting in talk, saying that kids and they lie against them. But now don't see them now. Make una put 1 and 2. Make una they get the thing. Waiting those people where they for Finland talk. Say Simon Ekpa even come. Say waiting income that they can't do. Now to come settle the problem where they get for Finland. So I tell me now how person when no be IPOB member go come they settle people where Go come the settle people where get problem where be IPOB member. But someone been talk say that in which Chike doesn't talk no be true. Say no, you know as he never talk that he say come settle the problem where they for IPOB. So more gonna those they see more. The thing be say today they talk and that thing, tomorrow they talk and that thing. Someone know they straight at all. And in the unnecessary smart, we no even make head, as in to me. We no get it. Today, no one begin to read comments for in this thing. For in wall. But I dey happy say some people now don't they reasonable, don't understand. Don't understand where this guy they from they come. Anything where person talk, you go want talk and that, you no go want talk true. And anybody will say something against Simon, but Simon must come to react. He's always proving himself right. I beg more ask on ourselves now. No only Simon talk say Chike Doziem the lie. China Sanworu the lie. Only Simon anybody will talk something they lie. IPOB Finland they lie. Anybody will talk something against Simon Ekpa they lie. You mention in name. Even so they get one news for where one news where imposed for a war. Whether na yesterday we imposed that thing. He say internal queue looms in IPOB as dismissed Radio Biafra anchorman Simon Ekpa moves against US. He can't talk say that in the fake news. Yeah. If he be say the way where they carry talk that thing, they no talk am right. But the thing not true, na queue where they come plan na. Everybody know that one na. Everybody know that one. If you know that one, if you don't know that one, na that one na be your business. So. Because I no go see anything where go make Simon Ekpa go they always they insult the US. You declare say you be my son and the kind of disciple. You no love the structure we input. That structure don't dey there tete when the Martin and the candidate outside. He dey there tete. IJP you go talk and that you go your wall, go to talk your own. Person correct you go be problem. Every time they lie against you, every time the DOS are lying against you. Only you not someone only where they talk true. Only you, anything where person talk, then they lie against you. Anything where person talk, then they lie against you. We don't see them now. We go see where these things then go end. Now we don't know where it go end. Because as Simon then, as Simon don't make anybody control them. Now one of the reasons where you no one join IPOB family properly. Because if I say IPOB, Simon Ekpa is a registered IPOB, they don't, therefore don't expel them since now. All this rubbish, IPOB don't go talk and that thing, go come online, come talk and that thing. So now what it make me tell you, say this guy in the unnecessary smart. And person now, free say now don't run background check on Simon Ekpa. Say Simon Ekpa get questionable character even before he come Europe. So I seen the reply whether na that Tuesday when he say whether na Monday too. I don't know whether na Monday or Tuesday. I don't feel remember. When talk say he go sit at home. So I think when they do small brokers, people when they tell and say no be everything we put tell and now go they reply. You can't say he's not our leader and he will never be a leader. I say, bam, you are not. In as much as you are trying your best to be like him, to pretend or to package yourself to say you be like Martin Nandeka. You know be them. I know ever be them. As in you know Martin Nandeka. I know ever be him. Which kind if sometimes if I just did they look this guy with a laugh. Which kind of personality be this? Anything where person talk, you go come and reply. I don't know whether this saga when this guy they do on Facebook. When I saga when they do on Facebook, people don't talk say he's doing a great job. I don't ask Una before which kind of great job where this guy they do. If Una get full phone, when I come out on Facebook Live, come they do video, I'm not gonna begin the post. Anybody can be an analyst. You know that you know study them anywhere. I'm not say the thing where they do no good, no they try. But they put them like say into the work when they do today this thing. Today important. Today important. Say Simon Ekpa they do this thing. He's doing a great job. I can't ask which kind of great job. You go see if you don't online, begin to analyze and that thing where that analysis they do not go give us Biafra. Guys, the thing is I don't want to talk too much. The point where I want to make today, I want to make when I know say Simon Ekpa is not an IPOB member. He's not an IPOB registered member. And now what's making they get all these problems the way they get. You no one tell himself true. You no one hear. You no one follow instructions, because even the same IPOB member, therefore, they really guide them well. Tell them the things where you supposed to do and how you supposed to do. Even self, they don't need to tell them now. You go to come meet, you go to hear, they know things, how things they take work. And not only that self, someone want to even they listen to the Radio Biafra. Even when Mass and can, they're not sure say they too listen to all the brokers. Because from there, if you still learn, but you no one learn anything. Actually, where's on Nagwala you one day in one day on day. Now, you start your own platform, now build your own platform, now make you know they distract others. Eh? Make you know they distract others, you know one here. In love Mass and can, you must protect them. Those that are lying, it doesn't matter how long you come, you may have joined this struggle 10 years ago, that you ask yourself, are you among the 100 men? You ask yourself, Simon, we don't hear, not only you said be 99 men. Have you asked yourself, are you among the 100 men? That you're not among the 100? How you want to who be among the 100 men and who no be among? How you can't even call yourself? Eh? See Simon, where they don't plan to finish. Him and the Nelly of Fable. Eh? For the man, nothing soon I go feel penetrate IPOB, you can't come out the DOS. Leadership of IPOB, you can't replace them or waiting. And that Nelly of Fable, me say I see they come for that lady broadcast. Or that lady's position. On a thing soon, I go just come wake up one morning like that. Come out the leadership of IPOB. They jump from one place. If they talk, say Simon, no what they do, you know what they do. From the first day where that woman go in platform, go to talk rubbish. What is Simon the kind of talk? Where we leave him? What she's talking from a place of concern. She's doing this. Anything we be say, then go castigate a DOS. Simon then go first do one. Bruce Fair come finish. You can't say our women in America. You don't know what our women in America are doing. You don't know what they're doing. They're doing what you don't know is bigger than you. You can't present and package and like say that women, those women bring the man. Anything we do as you do, you know go see Simon making gifts do as accolade. Now say go I don't know what be the guy problem. I don't know. But what you go know be say, as you know be IPOB member, the earlier when begin the retrace himself, the better for him. As I talk this video today, if he be say if he get time, I don't know for him. If you want repent, make a repent, change. If you don't want change, now in business. But time go come where him go lose that completely. Time go come. If you no respect himself, they follow the instruction. Yes, you know be IPOB member, nobody they force you. But no come out when they give instruction. No come out when they do like say, you know, now you be Mr. Sabi all. You know rhyme now. Eh? You know make sense. What is supposed to do? Anything where IPOB leadership talk, you go come in word, come the promoter. Someone is just a blogger. It's just there like say as I did, and they talk my own. The only difference in the way they na be say, I be Biafra. I be true Biafra and I know my place. So I no go begin the misbehave. I no go begin the misbehave. They do anyhow. Simon, never say what you don't need is bigger than you. And one person for a comment can't talk say, now true, say those in gullible. Where they full and they comment up and down. Say waiting they know true, it's bigger than them. So now here, where I got stop today, make I not talk too much. Make I not talk too much. See you next time. Okay. Bye. I see you soon on my next video.